Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS class. We already started third lesson, types of houses. What all things we have learned last class? First, we study the need of a house. Why do we need a house? Yes, house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, and strays. And then we discuss two types of houses. Okay, what are the two types of houses? Kacha houses and Pakka houses. Then what is the difference between Kacha house and Pakka house? Kacha houses are temporary houses. It is made up of mud, wood and straw, and it is less expensive. Okay, and what about Pakka houses? Pakka houses are permanent houses. Pakka houses are permanent houses, and it is made up of cement, brick and iron. Okay, and it is expensive. It is expensive. Then we have discussed different types of houses like bungalows and the multi-story buildings. Okay, this bungalows and multi-story buildings are examples for Pakka houses. Both bungalow and multi-story buildings are example of Pakka houses. Then what about Kacha houses? Can you say some examples? Yes, hut. Small huts are example of Kacha house. Then tents. Okay, triangle shape tents are common near roadsides and all. We can see tents, small tents, and people are doing some works. Okay, they are selling some things. Okay, so such houses are called tents. Tent and hut are example of Kacha houses. Okay, fine. And today we are going to study different types of roofs. Okay, different houses are having different types of roofs. Okay, so we are going to study that. Are you ready? Today also I will read the text and explain, and then I'll show you the slides. Take your textbook, page number 156. Ready? Good. Houses in different places have different kinds of roofs. Houses in different places have different kinds of roofs. Some houses have flat roofs. Some houses have flat roofs. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ അവർ പറയുന്നത്? Houses in different places have different kinds of different places. See, in Kerala we are usually use sloping roofs. According to the climate, people use different types of roofs, like sloping roof and flat roofs. Okay, so in Kerala we are getting rain more than 4 months in a year. So if it is flat roof, it is difficult to drain water from the roof. So actually our climatic conditions support sloping roofs. Okay, can you see flat roof? One picture is given here. Okay, flat means nerappayitte, flat ആയിട്ട്. It is not slope. ഇങ്ങനെ സ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്യണ രണ്ട് സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെരിയണതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ചെരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണ റൂഫിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ് എന്ന്. ഓക്കെ, ഫ്ലാറ്റ് റൂഫ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അങ്ങനെ പരന്നിരിക്കുന്ന റൂഫ്. ഈ പരന്നിരിക്കുന്ന റൂഫിൽ എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുക? വെള്ളം വീണ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോവില്ല, കുറച്ചൊക്കെ തങ്ങി നിൽക്കും. അത് നമ്മുടെ റൂഫിനെ ഡാമേജ് ചെയ്യും. ബട്ട് ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ്, ഇങ്ങനെ ചരിഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരിക്കുന്ന വെച്ചാൽ എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുക? ആ വീണ വെള്ളം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഗ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് സ്ലൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ പോകും. അപ്പൊ ഏത് റൂഫായിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടിലൊക്കെ ഏറ്റവും നല്ലത്? സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ്. ബട്ട് മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഹൗസസ്, എസ്പെഷ്യലി ടെറസ് ഹൗസസ്, are having flat roofs. So it is very important, constructing a house, we should consider the climatic conditions. We should consider the climatic condition of that place. That's why in different places, people construct houses with the different types of roofs. Especially the places where it rains and snows a lot, people use sloping roof. Then only water and snow can uh, easily slide off from the roof. So places where it rains or snows a lot, people use sloping roof. Okay. Houses in different places have different kinds of roofs. Some houses have flat roofs. Okay, Pakka houses are permanent houses. Is it true? See, one box is given, pink color box. One question is there. Pakka houses are permanent houses. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So you just put a tick mark inside the box. True. And another important thing, you have to underline that sentence. People who design houses are called architects. People who design houses are called architects. So who are called architects? People who design houses. Okay. People who design houses are called architect. People who design houses are called architect. You just underline this architect. The word architect. What is the spelling of architect? A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. What is the spelling of architect? A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. You have to study the spelling of architect. So who is an architect? Who is an architect? A person who design houses. Who is an architect? A person who design a house is called an architect. You have to study that spelling, architect. What is the spelling of architect? A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. A-R-C-H-I-T-E-C-T, architect. Next page. See, you can see a sloping roof, a house with a sloping roof. ഓക്കെ, ചെരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കണ റൂഫിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുക? സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ്. എവിടെങ്ങളിലാണ് അങ്ങനെ സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ് ആവശ്യം വരിക? ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ട് മഴയും മഞ്ഞൊക്കെ ഉള്ള സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലാണ് ഈ സ്ലോപ്പിംഗ് റൂഫ് വയ്ക്കുക. മഞ്ഞൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ വീടിന്റെ മുകളിൽ വീണ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വളരെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് ഒഴുകി പോകാൻ പറ്റും. വെള്ളവും മഞ്ഞും ഒക്കെ ഒഴുകി പോകാൻ പറ്റുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള റൂഫ്സ് ആണ് ഭയങ്കര ഹെവി റെയിനും സ്നോ ഫോളിംഗ് ഒക്കെ ഉള്ള പ്ലേസസിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇൻ കാശ്മീർ സ്നോ ഫോളിംഗ് ഈസ് വെരി ഹൈ. So there also people construct houses with a sloping roof. Okay. So in Kerala we are getting rain a lot. So we are also constructing houses with a sloping roof. And places where it is very dry, very hot climate, places in some places like Rajasthan and all, climate is very hot and dry places, people construct houses with a flat roof. Then in places where it snows or rains a lot, houses have sloping roofs so that water or snow can slide off easily. Okay, only this much for today, and in the next class we can continue. Okay children, bye.